Ningbo Lanxin Apparel Co. Limited is an export-oriented production factory, manufacturing company for women clothing and man clothing. In the past 20 years, Lanxin Apparel have been focusing on providing men's and women's clothing OEM production for European and American brands. Lanxin Apparel have own knitting clothing production factory. Through years build up, Lanxin Apparel also have opened up the woven clothing supply chain. We also could accept men's and women's woven clothing production order. We have a professional production team and sales service team. Professional product development system, serious and quality is the purpose of our business to serve customers. The main export markets include Australia, New Zealand, Dubai, Chile, Brazil, the Netherlands, the United States, etc.